Hi, this is Chris Tilley, instructional technologist at the College of Charleston, and we are going to continue our talk about the discussion feature in OAKS. Some of you may have groups in your classroom and you want to keep that group dynamic in your online teaching. And so there's a great way in the discussion feature of creating group discussions, and that's what I want to talk about right now. So what you'll do is first, you're going to create the group. And to do that, you'll go up to the management tab of your OAKS course. And you will scroll down to the last thing here where it says groups. And you'll click on that. So as you can see, I've already created a new category. If you created a new category, it's basically just going to ask you to name it. And that's about it. So I'm not going to do that over again because I've got my course groups here, but I am going to create another group. So within that category, I'm going to add a group, and I'll leave it at group 4 for now, and I'll save it. So now I have 4 groups. I'm going to go down to my new group, click on that to go to the edit. And this is where I'll be able to enroll users. So when I click on this, it isn't going to give me a lot of options because this is a development course. I don't have actual students, but when you click on it, your entire class list, your whole roster will be here. And so you can select from this list who's going to be in group 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. All you have to do is just check on it. And then, this is group 4. I'm going to select my TLT student and click save. And as you can see now, group 4 has that 1 member. So like I said, it looks a little bit different for me because I don't have students, but once you get in and you see it, it'll make sense. All right. So let's go back to our discussions. And again, to do that, we go to communication, go to discussions. And let's go back under the forum. And now let's create some group topics. I'm going to add a new topic because this isn't going to be about our weekly readings or about our chapters anymore. This is something that I want to be strictly for the groups. So under topic type here, instead of an open topic where everyone can access it, I'm going to select group topic. And my category was called course groups. If you have more categories, they'll all show up, but I only have the 1 course group, so that's all I've got. And I'm just going to call this group discussions. Or if you have something really specific the groups are doing, maybe group projects. I'm not necessarily going to add a description here. I don't need one. I'm going to go a little bit more in depth at a lower level. So I'm going to save and close. So now when you come over to Forum B, you'll see that group projects has been created, and now you've got this little group icon here, which indicates that this is for groups. Click on that. I'm going to start a new thread. And now it gives me the option to select one of the groups. So I just created group 4. I'm going to give them something to talk about. All right, this is group 4's discussion page. This is where group 4 can talk about their upcoming presentation. And so now I'm going to save this, and only you and members of group 4 will have access to this page. So groups 1, 2, and 3 will not be able to get onto this page. This will just be between you and group 4.